Assalamu alaikum ورحمة الله وبركاته. And this is our 16th lesson. The exercise is named as Huroof Muqattaat. In English, we call this exercise alphabetical letters. As the name is representing, we are going to read these letters same as we have read in alphabets. These letters are not going to sound as it's having harakat. We are just going to stretch these letters according to the signs. Just like this is having mud sign, we are going to stretch it for 4 or 5 seconds. This is the tashdid sign, we are going to merge it with the previous letter. And this letter does not have any sign, so we are not going to stretch it. We will just simply read it, alif. So we can see these type of examples in English as well, like we call US, UK, and we write these letters in capital or CIA, FBI, okay, NYPD. Is giving you just these examples so that you can just link it and remember how to read these letters, because I tell the students and they usually forget and they try to read it like a word, alam or alam, so they usually forget. So if you will remember these examples from English, you can link it and it will be easier to remember it. It does not, in English, it does not apply all the time. Just like BRICS or NATO, we write these letters in capital but still read it like a word. But you can just remember the examples that are linking with this exercise. So we are going to read it like the alphabets, not a word. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we will not subtract this alif, but we will subtract that lam and merge it with meme sound. And we will subtract the meme sound as well. And you can see these letters are written in the bottom separately as well. So this is letter alif, this is lam, and this is meme. We will read it like alif, lam, meme. Next, lam sound will be merged with the meme because it's having tashdid sign, and sad sound will be simple. Alif, lam, mim, sad. Then the ra sound is having simple vertical fatha. So we will not going to stretch it like mud sign. We will just make it little shorter for 2 seconds. Alif, lam, ra. Similarly, the next one, lam sound will be merged with the meme. Alif, lam, mim, ra. Then kaf, ha, ya, ain, sad. Taha. We will subtract according to the signs like standing fathas for 2 seconds each. Taha. Now the sin sound will be merged with the meme sound. So the sin, the letter sin, which is having n sound at the end, we will drop the n sound and replace the n sound with the m sound because the meme is having shadda. So we will read it taha. Sin Mim. Then Sin Yasin Sad Hamim Hamim Ain Sin Qaf Qaf Noon. So you have to remember it. These letters, you will not read it like a word. You have to read it like alphabets. These letters only come in the beginning of some surahs, only in the very beginning as the first letters. So you have to look at the first letters and see if these letters, this type of letter is coming, does not having any fatha kasra dhamma. So you are going to stretch and read it like alphabets and stretch it according to the signs. Okay, inshallah we will stop here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.